Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and if you're looking for a very good laptop, I would recommend this one here. This is a Toshiba Dynabook Tecra laptop. I really love using this laptop because it really helps me to accomplish all of the things that I need to get done, whether it's for work or if I need to use it to plan. So I want to show you here when I use this laptop. It's so nice, the functions, how it works. All I need to do, as you can see, it works really well. I can press here and I can already see it works really fast, which is nice. So I'll show you here up close as well. As you can see the Toshiba brand right there on the corner, which is nice. So this is a 15-inch laptop, which is really nice because you do have a big full screen there, as you can see, and you also have a complete keyboard, which is very practical. And it also comes included with the charger, which is really great too. So if you're looking for a really good practical laptop that you can use to plan your week, to do your work, with all the applications that you need, to save all the files that you need as well, I would recommend this one because I have really loved using it, and that's my point of view.